One owner, gorgeous corner twnhm, unlike anything else in Freemason. 3 balcs and 2 porches west/amazing water views from all but one room. The weaving of classic and modern finishes will impress you. Stunning entrance into 18 feet LV west/gas fireplace. Stairs lead to formal dining room and amazing custom designed kit. West/Bosh Sub-Zero Wolfe appliances, specially designed Butlers pantry and coffee station west/cabinetry suited to accommodate specific appliances. Second level features PV suite west/coffee station, spa-like bath and huge room west/western oriented balc and breathtaking views. Third FL consists of a LG office west/rich built-ins, balc west/water views, 2 Quest bdrms and bath.